Breda was synonymous for semi-autos, and they've made some cracking semi-autos over the last 100 years or so, and in the last 2 years they've been developing an over and under called the Breda Zenith. They brought out a sporting version and a game version. This here is the Zenith L, which is the game version. It's available in 30 and 32 inch. It has a fixed choke, which is steel shot proofed. This is quite unusual, especially being 3/4 and full. It then has nominal bored barrels with a 2 3/4 inch chamber and solid ribs. So it has a solid tapered 11 to 7mm rib. Even the mid ribs are solid. Grade 4 wood, single selective trigger, and a quite nice engraving without being too ostentatious. It has an adjustable trigger, which is 7 position. It can also be adjusted for length of pull and also for the poundage. Single selective ejector, non-stick recoil pad, grade 4 wood. Retailing at around £2,700 from your local retailer.
Who do you see this appealing to?
I think, as we know, the market is very much the top brands, which we all know, the big B words. So I think this is someone who wants something different. They might have had a silver pigeon for the last 10 years, but they want something a little bit different. And now it's fixed choke and it's steel shot proof, going, looking for the future. I think this gun offers an awful lot, and especially in its current format. This one here was specifically designed for shooting high birds. The UK wanted guns that could shoot high birds. We wanted something we could offer them to shoot high birds and go straight through the transition into steel shot as well, or lead alternative. And this offers all of that. I've shot this many a time, and I've taken it around various shooting grounds with some people that are far more experienced than me, and I've never had anyone say, I don't like it, or it shoots terrible. Everyone is really impressed with the way it patterns and the way it shoots and balances. So I've had no issues with it whatsoever.
You enjoy shooting it?
I do really enjoy shooting it because it's just nice to be different.
And you are different?
I'm definitely different.